What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. I really do appreciate you guys watching my little videos. As a matter of fact, we're coming up on 2,000 subscribers here pretty soon, hopefully. And at that point, I think we're going to do a giveaway of some sort. We'll put together something nice for you and ship it out for free and everything, just to show our appreciation for you guys watching and subscribing and whatnot. But stay tuned for that. Let's get into the review here, the walk around. Show you what I've put on since the last time I put a video out. See what you guys think, if I made a mistake or if you think I'm going the wrong direction with this thing. The base model didn't come with these signature lights, these LED lights, so I went ahead and picked those up. They were $110, maybe $120, real easy to install. The wiring harness is already there on the machine from Can Am. With these, the only thing I had to do, I had to change some of the pins around on the plugs that were already attached to the lights, but it wasn't too hard. I think that took me maybe 45 minutes to install those. I put on, obviously, a new windshield. That is an EMP windshield. I got that on Amazon. Can't remember the price on that. I think it was like $400, maybe $500 for that. I'll put the link to all of these parts in the description of the video. But I love that thing. My buddy actually, I copied his. He had the same one. I copied it. But I love it, man. It keeps me nice and clean and dry and everything when we're out on the trails. I put in a little hand operated wiper. I actually do have a wiper with a motor on it, but with this light bar I can't fit it. As a matter of fact, the new motorized wiper, that'll only wipe 90 degrees, so this one I can wipe all the way across. So I'll probably just leave that. The last time we went out, I didn't have a sprayer system set up. I just used like a spray bottle and would spray the windshield from around the roll bar there and then just wipe it off, and it worked okay. But I ended up going out and buying the windshield washer pump and everything, you know, with the little sprayers. I put those right there on both sides, and they work out pretty good. I just have to barely hit the button though because of the angle I put them at. Here's the button here. So I have to just barely tap that and it'll hit it right in the middle of the windshield. If I hit it too hard, it'll shoot right over the top of the machine. So I could have angled those probably a little bit better. My buddy actually put a big nozzle right here in the middle, and his seems to work out pretty good, but I kind of wanted to keep it nice and clean looking, so I put him down there. But anyways, let's see what else. I put the mirrors on. I did post a video of that already. These are Can Am Maverick brand mirrors. They're okay. I'm actually going to be sampling another set of mirrors from Can Am Maverick. They're more like a seismic mirror, that shape. And so obviously I put the light bar on. It's a 32-inch Nightlight, I think is what it's called. Let's see. Yeah, Nightlight. And it is super bright. The reason I like this one is if you look close, it has like a black background around each light. Most of the light bars that you see have all chrome on the inside. I kind of like the black in there, kind of offsets the colors. But that's worked out well. It's nice and bright at night. As far as the aluminum doors that I installed, they've worked out pretty well. They do have a couple little scuff marks on them. That's to be expected, you know, with all the branches and everything rubbing against them. But no dents or anything, and they've taken some abuse. So I'm pretty happy with those. We put Walmart brand CBs in here. And they've been okay. When you're within range, you can kind of make out what the other guy's saying, but we're probably going to get rid of those, to be honest. I think they were like 35, 40 bucks. We're just giving them a shot. My brother actually took his out already. We do have the VHF radio as well, and that seems to work out pretty well. That one comes with like an earpiece that actually has a little thin wire, can go up inside of your helmet with a little microphone, and that comes in a lot clearer than the little CBs there. Yeah, I put in this Boss soundbar. Actually lights up. I think this was like $200 on Amazon. Really easy to install. I need to do something a little bit different with that wire. That was kind of temporary. But it's all Bluetooth, so you don't have like a head unit up front or anything. It's kind of built into it, you know. It's upside down, but it sounds great. It's right above my head. It's like the only place I could fit it. I tried to put it up front because that's where I normally would put it. But the roof on this is so low, the visor on my my helmet would tap it. It was just annoying, so I pushed it back here instead. I got about an inch clearance above the top of the back of my head, and it's right there, so you get the tunes nice and clear right in your ear. So I like that. I put this rear window on. It's a tinted rear window. Keeps all the dust out of the cab. With the front windshield and that especially. I noticed a huge difference. The last time we went riding, it was real dusty and dirty, and I barely did any cleaning on the inside of this since then. Just a quick wipe down, and it's almost like it was before I left. That was real cheap too. I think that was like 80 bucks. Easy to install. Keeps the water out too. So I'm not sure if you guys watched the last video, but I had installed this spare tire carrier from Kemimoto, and if you look real close, you can see that it is no longer straight, and there's a reason for that. The first day I took this out, we went up to Tall Pines ATV Park up in Andover, New York. We ended up bumping into these guys, and I can't remember the name of their club. They're a bunch of real nice guys. Hung out with them for the day. Toward the end of the day, we were doing some field ripping back by the parking lot, kind of. And one of the guys wanted to take my X3 out for a rip. He made it across the field, no problem, back and forth. And then he decided he was going to do a donut in front of everybody. Well, turns out it was still in four-wheel drive, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but if you leave it in four-wheel drive trying to do a donut, it doesn't work out too well. So he ended up rolling it over directly on its roof, right in front of us. But it bent that up. The nice thing about it is that the tire took most of the abuse. Obviously it bent that, but the roof was barely affected. You can see there's a little bit of a mark here. That's about it. Must have been spinning on a rock or something. And then I had to replace this piece because it actually punched one of the corners right out of it. So there's a little damage going down through there. See, no big deal. It's all good. Still runs like new. And if he hadn't done it, I would have eventually. So no big deal. Anyway, I think that's pretty much everything I've installed so far. I have 4 or 5 things coming from Kemimoto, little things that I'm going to be putting on. Some handles and some struts for the doors. Oh, I'm going to be putting some chase lights on. I'm looking at tires. Probably going to switch those to the Carnivores like I had on the YXE. See if you guys can explain this to me too. Only this tire, for some reason, all the way around the rim, you can see the very edge has been worn out, like it's rubbing. But only that tire. I don't know if that would have happened all at once. Maybe I was spinning against something. and it did that, but none of the other rims have done that. There's little nicks here and there in the other rims, but that one's all the way around. I just thought that was kind of strange. So I have a couple hundred miles on this now. We've gone through maybe 3 or 4 trail systems, rode around my buddy's place. I've ridden it around here several times, and I absolutely love it. I think I made the right choice for the type of riding that we do. It's just so much easier to drive. It's like a Cadillac going over the real choppy crap, you know, and it just makes, my buddy and I were talking about this. He bought an X3 as well, right around the same time I got mine. And it's almost made us enjoy riding the same trail systems that we've rode for a while. It makes us enjoy them all over again. It's like a whole new experience with these machines. All right, so I guess that's it for now, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. You know, this isn't a full-time job for me, but it does help with the buying the accessories and doing the trail riding and everything. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. And like I said, I'm going to do the that giveaway at the 2,000 subscriber mark if I hit it. I'll put together something real nice for you, ship it out for free, just to show my appreciation for that. And I don't know, I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll catch you later.